Nouns in English are divided into countable and uncountable types, influencing how they are used in sentences. Countable nouns refer to objects that can be counted, while uncountable nouns represent things that cannot be individually counted. Recognizing the difference between them is essential for mastering English grammar. This lesson covers their definitions, rules, and examples. A countable noun is a noun that refers to people, places, things, and ideas like friend, children, garages, hat, card, and laptop that can be counted. They can be either singular nouns or plural nouns. They can use the articles a or and. It makes sense to precede countable nouns with a number. They are more common. Look at these sentences. I have a book on my desk. She bought 3 apples from the market. In these sentences, book and apples can be counted, making them countable nouns. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, place, or thing. We usually form plurals by adding letters to the end of the word. But there are several rules and exceptions. Add s to most nouns. For example, apple, apples, cat, cats, tree, trees. Add s to nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch, x, o, or z. For example, bus, buses, box, boxes. If a noun finishes in f or fe, remove and add bes. For example, leaf, leaves, wolf, wolves. Change y to es if a noun ends in a consonant plus y. Baby, babies, candy, candies. But just add s if the noun ends in a vowel plus y. For example, boy, boys, shoe, shoes. Some nouns don't follow regular rules. They are called irregular nouns. You must memorize them. For example, feet, teeth, geese, elk, men, women, children, people, cacti, mice. Some nouns don't change at all in the plural form. Sheep, sheep, deer, deer, moose, moose, scissors, scissors, tuna, tuna. An uncountable noun refers to emotions, qualities, concepts, or things like confusion, laziness, rice, coffee, and weather that cannot be counted. They cannot use the articles a or and. They cannot be preceded by a number. They treated as singular nouns and don't typically have plural forms. They are less common and are often harder to spot. Look at these examples. There is water in the bottle. He has a lot of knowledge about history. Here, water and knowledge cannot be counted separately, making them uncountable nouns. After mentioning the definition of countable and uncountable nouns and identifying some examples, let's look at the following table to see the differences that distinguish them and make them particularly unique. Countable nouns can be counted. For example, an apple, a school, a picture, 2 pictures, etc. They can take singular or plural verbs. There is a book on the table. Those houses are very big, aren't they? They go with a, and, the, my, etc. in the singular. She bought an umbrella. They can be used along with some, any, many, few in the plural. I love carrots. I love some carrots. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. For example, sugar, information, water, understanding, etc. They always take singular verbs. There is some water in that pitcher. They don't go with a, and, to, etc. Can you hear music? They can be used alone or with some, any, much, little, etc. There's little information about the weather. However, uncountable nouns can sometimes become countable when preceded by a unit of measurement or a container that holds them, as in the following example. Can I have 2 teas, please? It refers 2 cups of tea. Quantifiers are essential elements of language that allow us to express the amount or quantity of people, places, and things. However, the use of quantifiers can be challenging for language learners, especially when it comes to countable and uncountable nouns. Now, we will explore the different types of quantifiers used with countable and uncountable nouns, and provide examples to help you better understand their usage. For countable nouns, which are items that can be counted one by one, some common quantifiers include a few, several, many, a lot of, lots of. Let's see these examples. She has a few books on her shelf. He bought several apples at the market. There are many cars parked on the street. They have a lot of friends attending the party. Uncountable nouns are substances, concepts, or things that cannot be counted individually. Some common quantifiers for uncountable nouns include a little, some, much, a lot of, lots of. For example, I have a little sugar left in the jar. She needs some advice on the project. I don't have much time before the meeting. There is a lot of information to digest in this report. When using articles with countable nouns, both definite, the, and indefinite, a, and articles are applicable. Singular countable nouns require an article. For example, a book, an apple. When referring to plural countable nouns, you can use the when talking about a specific group, and no article when discussing a general sense. Look at these examples. The books. It is referring to specific books. Books. It is referring to books in general. Note the use of articles with countable nouns. The definite article the can be used with both singular and plural countable nouns. The indefinite article a is used with singular countable nouns starting with a consonant. The indefinite article an is used with singular countable nouns starting with a vowel. When using articles with uncountable nouns, the definite article the is commonly used, but the indefinite articles a and an are typically not applicable. In some cases, you can use some or any to convey quantity. For instance, the water is cold. She has some knowledge about the topic. Understanding the difference between countable and uncountable nouns is essential. Countable nouns can be counted, have singular and plural forms, and are used with numbers and articles like a or an. Uncountable nouns refer to things that cannot be counted individually, requiring singular verbs and special quantifiers like some, much, or a lot of. By following the rules and avoiding common mistakes, you can use these nouns correctly in everyday communication. Thanks for your attention. Now we are going to do some exercises. After watching this grammar explanation about countable and uncountable nouns, let's do some exercises about them. Let's start with the first one that refers to group these words according to countable and uncountable nouns. Number 1, egg. Countable. Number 2, milk. Uncountable. Number 3, tomato. Countable. Number 4, fish. Uncountable. Number 5, fruit. Uncountable. Number 6, flower. Countable. Number 7, bread. Uncountable. Number 8, snow. Uncountable. Number 9, cake. Countable. Number 10, apple. Countable. Number 11, juice. Uncountable. Number 12, dress. Countable. Number 13, lemon. Countable. Number 14, butter. Uncountable. Number 15, salt. Uncountable. Number 16, meat. Uncountable. Number 17, rice. Uncountable. Number 18, potato. Countable. Number 19, carrot. Countable. Number 20, grapes. Countable. Number 21, oil. Uncountable. Number 22, cucumber. Countable. Number 23, sugar. Uncountable. Number 24, onion. Countable. Number 25, garlic. Uncountable. Number 27, plum. Countable. Number 27, coffee. Uncountable. Number 28, tea. Uncountable. Number 29, cheese. Uncountable. Number 30, cup. Countable. Number 31, salad. Uncountable. Number 32, berry. Countable. Number 33, chocolate. uncountable. Number 34, money, uncountable. Number 35, orange, countable. Number 36, cherry, countable. Number 37, sandwich, countable. Number 38, cream, uncountable. Number 39, cheap, countable. Number 40, water, uncountable. Number 41, cookie, countable. Number 42, banana, countable. Number 43, pear, countable. Number 44, chair, countable. Number 45, sheep, countable. Number 46, food, uncountable. Let's look at the second exercise. Decide if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Remember that you have only 10 seconds to give the answer before listening and watching the correct answer. Number 1, there are some chairs and tables in the kitchen. Correct. Number 2, we need some new furnitures for our kitchen. Incorrect. Number 3, 2 breads, please. Incorrect. Number 4, that's an important information. Incorrect. Number 5, he saw 3 ray bears on his last bird watching trip. Correct. I saw a lot of bears migrating south. Correct. Number 7, Rita asked for a glass of milk. Correct. Number 8, she has many money to buy this dress. Incorrect. Is there much information about the project? Correct. Our school doesn't have many computers. Correct. Okay, then we have this other exercise. Complete the sentences with a, an, or nothing. It is not necessary an article. Let's see. Number 1. Rita bought a dress in the sales. Number 2. I need milk. Number 3. Lawrence has new furniture. Number 4. Have you ever seen an elephant? Number 5. We ate sweets for breakfast. Number 6. She's reading an interesting book about psychology. Number 7. They're looking for a hotel near the beach. Number 8. Could you give me advice on how to improve my writing? Number 9. Susan had an apple and a sandwich for lunch. Number 10. Peter wants to be an engineer when he finishes university. Well done, everyone. You've just practiced how to identify and use countable and uncountable nouns through targeted exercises. These skills are essential for expressing quantity, asking questions, and building accurate sentences in English. Thank you for your participation.